Hi guys, it's time for a new digital mystery box. This is not a box they will send to you, it's digital. But before you purchase it, it's not all new. It is all Star Wars. But it is not all new cartridges. So if you purchased a Star Wars digital mystery box in the past, you might already have 3 of these cartridges. So watch the video before you purchase, and if you are going to purchase, please use the link in the description below, and I get a small commission from that. But I want you to know 2 of these cartridges are brand new, they're amazing, and if you love Star Wars, you are going to love them. This mystery box is only available for 2 weeks, and then they won't be in Design Space until 4 weeks after that. They will never be in Cricut Access. And just like Disney and all these other licensed images, sometimes they go away from Design Space unless you purchase them. If you purchase, you have them forever, but they're not always going to be available in Design Space. Sometimes they just disappear when their license is up, and we never know when that is. So if you love Star Wars or have family members who love Star Wars, now is the time to purchase the mystery box. All right, let's go see what's in this box. First, I'm going to show you the 2 brand new cartridges. We'll take a look at those, and then I will show you the other 3 that are also in this. It's Baby Yoda. This is Star Wars Mandalorian, the child. Look at how cute these are. There's some that are printable. See, it says printable, but not all of them. This one's printable, this one is not. Some of these would be great with infusible ink. You could make cards out of these. Look at how cute that is. He's in a pocket. This would be great with infusible ink. This would be great with infusible ink. Look at how cute. He's eating a frog. These would be great iron-on. You can make coloring books. So a lot of these images also come in drawing images. Aren't they so cute? This is brand new. And then we have Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. These are neat. This is totally paper. It's hard to see that one. This is Rey and Kylo Ren Gray. Just roll with it. Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker. That's cool. This one's printable. So these like square ones are printable. That would be so cool on a t-shirt. BB-8. R2-D2. These are so cool. I can't wait to play with these. I might just have to do that really soon. So those 2 cartridges are the brand new cartridges in this mystery box. Now, if you've never had Star Wars images from Design Space, here's another one that also comes in this mystery box. But if you've purchased these before, you may already have them. I do want you to know that. Look how cute it is, though. This is Size Matters Not. They're like baby characters. So cute. And then they have Star Wars Galactic line art. These are great for iron-on or vinyl. Awesome. Do or do not, there is no try. And then for those Darth Vader fans, we have Welcome to the Dark Side. These are fun. Can also be iron-on or infusible ink. All right, guys, that's it for this mystery box. If you have access, you'll get a discount. These will never be included in Cricut Access. This mystery box is only available for 2 weeks, And then 30 days from the end of this 2 weeks, they will be available in Design Space to purchase the image set or to purchase individual images, but not until then. So that's like 6 weeks away. So if you want to start making now with Baby Yoda, you got to get the mystery box. All right, make sure you click the link in the description if you are going to purchase this mystery box. I do appreciate it. It doesn't cost you any extra and I get a small commission. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Toodles.